I've got my very first Natalie Attired unboxing. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me here today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. If you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you'll click that picture just above me, that will subscribe you to my channel so you don't miss a moment of the chaos. And be sure and click the little bell icon because that will give you reminders that I've posted so you don't miss anything. Thank you for joining me and taking just these 5 or 10 minutes to watch my channel. I know there's so many other things you could be doing and it means so much to me that you are watching me. I'm wonderful. No, really, I am. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know a lot about Natalie Attired because this is my first box. What I do know is that it works much like Stitch Fix in that you pay a $20 stylist fee. You get the clothes. You get to pick all the different things. In fact, they have you send a full body picture in your favorite outfit and a face picture. It's a little more detail oriented than Stitch Fix is because they didn't get quite into that kind of detail on Stitch Fix. And then, of course, just like Stitch Fix, if you buy something, then they take the $20 that you've paid into your Stitch Fix styling fee, and they take it out of your clothing, so that you end up not having to pay the stylist fee. I hope that makes sense. Initially, they withdraw the $20, but then you get it back because you're buying the clothes. Please let me know in the comments below if I've confused you in any way. It's not a discount. I want to be clear on that. It's not a $20 discount. You just get the $20 refunded if you buy anything. So it really makes it worth it to buy something. If you love everything, then you get a discount on the total amount. Comes wrapped with a Natalie Attired little flower on there. And then it's got a priority mail envelope straight to Natalie Attired and no postage necessary. Now, I mentioned that because recently I got a clothing box that I had to pay the postage on, and that was really, really annoying. You had to go to the post office to drop it off. The post office did not pick it up out of your drive. So if that's a deal breaker for you, you don't have to worry about it because it's part of it. You get a nice little postcard. Your stylist has selected this collection just for you. Please take a few moments to try everything on. Something you may have passed by in the store might look just right. Within 3 days, please sign in to check out. Oops, more than 3 days. Your styling fee will be applied to any piece you purchase with appreciation and Natalie Attired. So don't have a specific stylist it doesn't look like. And then I've got a list of all the clothes with the prices. And then it says I'll receive a 20% discount if I keep it all. And the total price would be $290. And then with the 20% off, it would be $216 to keep everything. So let's have a look at it and see what we think. Well, I can tell you what, I love, love, love this color. This is fantastic. Basically, this is a little t-shirt with kind of a vest over the top. It's got a little tie here. Doesn't button, it ties. I think this is super cute. And I think I'm going to like that. Certainly love the color. Doesn't blue look good on me? Oh, I love these kinds of shirts. Okay, this is a plaid-esh shirt. If you've been watching my channel very long, you know I love it when Stitch Fix sends me plaid shirts. But this isn't that material. It's a cotton material. But look, it's got the kind of hem the way I like. And I like it in the back, too, that it's got this. I think that's a cool little feature. And the sleeves. These are my favorite kind of sleeves with the buttons that stay rolled up. I have many shirts like this. I don't have any in this particular color. So I'm liking everything so far. Of course, it all comes down to how does it fit. You know what I mean? So this is just a little kind of overshirt, a little jacket, cardigan, and look at that detail in the back. Love, 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 love. It's a little bit lower in the front. The pieces kind of hang down here. Or longer in the front. I mean, I said lower. I meant longer. They hang down longer than the back. That's cute. Oh, and a pair of pants too. I'm extremely picky about my blue jeans. I like them to be elastic waist. So far, so good. I like them to be high. I like them to sit up high on my waist. And I like them to have actual pockets. And here's where they've gone wrong. No actual pocket. I do like that these seem to be straight instead of a skinny leg. I don't like the skinny legs. I know that I'm supposed to wear them, but I don't like them. And these, if these are petite, okay, they don't say petite. I've got stumpy little legs, and if they're not petite, they almost never fit. Never. They just don't fit me. When your legs are only that long, things don't fit you. I would love to hear what you think. Let me give you my thoughts, and I would love to hear your thoughts. The pants are surprisingly lovely. I love the pants. I'm definitely keeping the pants. What I usually do is I usually have one pair of at-home pants. I'm a mom. I'm at home a lot. I just want comfort. If I got 5 minutes to tinkle, I've got to run into the bathroom. So I don't really have enough time to be fidgeting with buttons. You know what I mean? So these feel like a pair of at-home pants, but they're not so gross and worn out like my other at-home pants. So I think they're going to get rid of my other at-home pants. I really find them comfortable is what I'm trying to say. This jacket I love, but I can feel the lace on the back of my back where my tank top isn't, and it's irritating my back already. So there is no reason to keep this jacket if I know I'll never wear it because it irritates me. This, I'm really torn on, and I need your opinion. This shirt I think is fantastic. It's a really great quality. And I also think it's a great quality. It's this beautiful blue. I think it looks nice on me. I love the shape of it. I need some new t-shirts, but it is $39, which is kind of pricey for a t-shirt when I could pick them up at Macy's for $20. So I don't know. And then this is the thing I'm most torn on. Should I get this? Do I need this with the t-shirt to dress it up? Does it look good on me? I felt it made me look like A, an explorer, and 2, like I'm bigger than I am. But at the same time, it does help to cover up the flaws in my figure. I need your opinion. Thank you for joining me here today. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Makeup, skincare, hair, and nails. I don't know anything about fashion, so the least you can do is subscribe so you can help me with my fashion. If you'll just click that picture just above me, that will subscribe you to my channel, and you won't miss a minute of the content I have. It's chaos here all the time. Here's a video that you probably never watched and that you'll definitely enjoy. Be sure and tell me in the comments what you think of my outfits, and if you've tried Natalie Attired, whether you think I should continue because it gets better as it goes like Stitch Fix does. Be blessed.